Hello and welcome back to my channel. On my third day in northern Pakistan, I drove around the area with a guide to get some content of the incredible landscape and people. I had some really cool experiences and ended the day by having lunch with a local family in their village. Good morning, we just left Kaplu Palace, which is where we stayed last night, and today we're going to take the car to explore the area, find some nice hidden spots and some nice nature spots. We have the drone with us and also my camera equipment, so let's see where he takes us, which places we can see. I'm excited to take some really nice pictures here because the area is absolutely stunning, so yeah, very excited. Most of the bridges here have been renovated by the Chinese actually, so they have really good bridges, but we're crossing one right now, which is one of the older bridges, and it's absolutely scary. The cars wait on both sides because only one car can cross the bridge. I don't know, it doesn't look very safe, but we're surviving. We've arrived at our first destination. I have no idea what this place is called, but it's incredible. It's a village in the valley, and I mean the view, it's insane. Oh my god, it looks so nice. We just started filming with the drone and some of the boys from the village just came running out to see how we're filming. They're very excited about it, which is very cute. So we just finished up with the drone and now I've walked here to try and get some pictures and also look at this lake kind of thing. It's absolutely incredible. I'm trying to not ruin my shoes because I fell in the water with my other ones yesterday and they're pretty much gone for the trip. These are the last ones I have, so I'm trying to not fall in the water. Second spot is literally 5 minutes away from where we just stopped. It looks even more surreal than the other one, even though I didn't think that was possible. I saw these kids running around in the river and playing, so I went here and said hello to them. They're so cute. We've now done our first two locations and now we're at the third one, which is more at the river. Gonna also take some pictures here because on one hand it looks similar to the others, but on the other hand also looks very different, this place. So the trees and the river and the mountains in the back, I think it's gonna look really cool. So let's see what we can do. Okay, third location is not really a photo location, but nonetheless very beautiful. We're at an apple farm. I didn't know they had apple farms here. I think the plan was actually to talk to the people here and maybe film them or something, but they're closed on Sundays, so that's not gonna work. The crazy thing is there are yellow butterflies everywhere here, literally everywhere. On our way to the next location, we passed through one of the local villages, and here are some of the shots that I got there. The next place we're at is this huge open wild field. It's called Balrar, I think. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. Balrar. We just started the drone and are trying to get some footage with it, and all the kids from back there came running towards us to see the drone. It's so great. We have two huge eagles flying above us, which is also crazy. Yeah. So we're now done with all the locations where we wanted to go to shoot, and now we're back at Inaya's village, which is the guy who I spent the day with yesterday. We're walking through the village right now, which is also why I wore a headscarf out of respect, and we're gonna have lunch at his place, so I'm interested how it's gonna be. The people here are so friendly. This elderly woman just came to us and she was like, oh, I wish you guys a long and happy life. So yeah, it's really cool. So we are now done with lunch and are gonna head home, very tired.